This July, the AdventureMate team decided to dip out of the city for a weekend and go camping upstate to test out the new V2 multi-tool. We designed the AdventureMate from the ground up to be the ultimate large multi-tool. It can chop, saw, shovel, hammer, and pry. To switch attachments, simply open the lever and flip the head around. The shovel head is a separate attachment that also slides easily into the handle. All the attachments are made from hardened steel coated with a ceramic finish, protecting it from rain, snow, fire, and even coconuts. It's practically indestructible. On our last night in the woods, we made a big feast and sat around the campfire for hours. We were able to reconnect to ourselves, each other, and to nature. That's what AdventureMate is all about.